Gather round, you daft numpties, for another round of nonsense featuring our two favourite Egypts. We Kevin and Lance. These two fancied themselves as hard workers one fine morning and took a job digging ditches for a wee bit of extra coin. Aye, they dug away like they were trying to mine for diamonds, sweating like pigs and making great progress. But their arms felt as sore as a baboon's backside by the time the sun hit high noon. As they swung their shovels, making a right mess of the countryside, they stumbled upon some wee critter sitting all smug-like in the muck. It was a bleeding gigantic praying mantis, looking like it had just dipped its toes in a sci-fi flick. "What the hell is that, Lance?" Kevin squinted, his brain struggling frae the heat. Before they could think much of it, the mantis gave a wee twitch and morphed into a full-blown alien, wiring itself up like a rusted toaster. "Och, what the bloody muck!" Lance shouted, backpedaling till his arse hit the ground. The alien, all long legs and bulging eyes, grabbed them and whisked them aboard its spaceship faster than you can say slancha. Inside, the place was brighter than a butcher's shop on a sunny day, and before they knew it, the alien crew started operating on them, entirely ignoring the lads' daft questions like, "What you up to with that scalpel, mate?" Or, "Are we getting a discount on our next pint or what?" They were cutting out bits of their bodies like they were doing surgery on an old banger. Finally, the lead mantis sent them some telepathic message through their empty noggins. "You've been chosen for a DNA upgrade," it said, like it was going to make them better off. "Blessed ye are by the divine mantis experience," they chuckled, with dreams of being brainy new versions of themselves. When they were finally dumped back in Glenfinnan, the lads could nae have been more excited. They marched into town, expecting folks to treat them like genius overlords, but instead it was more laughter and mockery directed at them. Every attempt at being clever ended up in calamity. They'd managed to make themselves even dafter than before, if that was even possible. "Aye, brilliant wee upgrade," Kevin muttered, scratching his head as he stepped in a puddle, splashing mud up his leg. What were they thinking? The mantis, floating in their heads, reassured them. "This Egyptry is part of your human experiment. You'll learn someday to embrace your daftness as a badge of honour." Unbelievable lads, right? As if their lives weren't already a comedy skit. Lance turned to Kevin, waving his arms. "Maybe one day we'll get to whoop it up in the fifth dimension with the mantises," he exclaimed as he tripped over his own feet, sending him arse over tit again. And so the saga of Kevin and Lance continues, making a right mess wherever they go, now with a brand new layer of absurdity. You'd half expect them to start a new madness on the streets of Glenfinnan, wondering when something intelligent will pop into their thick skulls. So remember, you daft sods, like and subscribe, or you'll end up stuck in the fifth dimension with these two glorious Egypts.